Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat mug. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the cat mug. At the beginning, I'm drawing its ears and I'm drawing its base. Okay, let's connect them. Now let's draw its handle. I'm drawing its tiny eyes. Here's its nose. Uh-oh, it's a little messy. Let's draw some mustard. Here's smoke coming out from the mug. My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using my pink pen. It's a chibi cat mug, so I'm using my pink pencil. Now I'm using my pencil to create a nice gray color. I'm blending the color with the help of my fingertip. And my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.